Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be looking at the sneaker releases that are coming out for this month, which is June 2018. So yeah, let's get into it. So for the start of the month, for the first, we had this Trace Orange pair, we have an Energy Aqua, nothing too crazy. Going down we have the Converse Tyler the Creator. I was thinking about getting these actually, the red and blue ones. I still might, they might still be in stock. So if they are, then I might get those and we can do a pick up and review video. But nothing too crazy again, although the Converse Golf Furs are fire. Then going down, got some Air Max, some 97s, some 98s. Oh, we've got Hyper Adapts, the 1.0s, the self-lacing ones. I'm sure that when they came out, resale used to be super high, like insanely high. I haven't checked though, but whoa. Retail £619. I don't know how much resale is for these. That's pretty high for retail, but they are self-lacing, so it's cool. Going down, we've got some more NMDs. We've got some Adidas, some FLYKNIT, some Air Max. Air Max 180s are pretty fire. These black ones, the black and pink, they're pretty nice. They remind me of the CDG Air Max 180s. They were nice as well. We got some TNs. I do like TNs. These ones are fire as well. They're Foot Locker exclusive. They're fire. We're only on the second day. We're on the 2nd of June and so much fire is coming out already. That's insane. Still. Going down again, we've got more fire. We've got some Adidas Ultra Climber in black. It's not bad. Oh, 9th of June, we've got the Yeezy 500 Supermoon Yellows coming out. What were the last pair that came out were called the, are they called the VAT 700, 500s? I'm not sure, but I did like those. Oh, got the Travis Scott Jordan 4s. Yeah, these are fire. I definitely am going to try and get these. Hopefully they don't sell out super fast, or hopefully they're not like some sort of like raffle or like crazy limited, because they are so fire. They remind me a lot of the Eminem 4s as well, and I'm sure I've seen Travis Scott wearing those, so I think it might have something to do with that, but they are insanely fire. Yeah, definitely I can't fucking get those. Oh, we got these are called the Adidas Young 1 red and blue. I haven't seen these before. I haven't seen these, they look fire though. They look fire. And these look like the Yeezy 500s. They do look pretty similar. We've got some Adidas Rascal. They remind me a lot of the Adidas Calabasas. I'm not sure which came first though, if it was the Reebok or the Adidas. I'm not sure what the model's called, but where the influence for the Calabasas shoes came from. I do like those though. I do like these ones with the stripe down the side. It's a nice bit of detail. These Nike Air Force 1 Low split. They're insane. They're insane. I'm sure there was a white and black pair of those that I saw in a music video. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll put it on the screen if I did see that. But they are fire. The Nike Air Force 1 Low split. They're nice. I think that's it as far as sneaker releases. I'm gonna go on to Kicks on Fire now, because they were the ones that are coming up on the Sole Supplier. We're going to Kicks on Fire and see what they've got on there. Okay, there's a lot more choice on Kicks on Fire, so I'm going to go through those now. Those Nike Cobes, they're pretty fire. The AD NXT 360. I heard that the Yeezys, there's supposed to be 1 million coming out. I don't know where I heard that. I don't know if it's true either. But I don't know. Would that kill the hype? I'm not sure. Will that kill the hype, or will it make the past releases more hyped? Because unless they just release everything again, which would be cool, because I do want the black pair with the red lettering. It would be cool to get those. There were a lot of shoes releasing this month. No, releasing this day on the 1st. There are so many pairs coming out. I think this is like the most I've ever seen for in just one day. Just one day releases. It's a lot of shoes. Got some Huarache. Oh. God, got the Off-White Air Jordan 1, these are powder blues. I want these so badly. The the first Jordan ones, the off-white ones, the red ones. I wanted those so badly from the was it top 10, but I never got those. I tried to get them through the sneakers app, but couldn't get them. So I could get these, the powder ones. That'd be insane. I've got some Jordan 2 Mellows as well. They're pretty nice. I've never had a pair of Jordan 2s, but they do look nice. We've got off-white Prestos coming out again. 2 pairs. There's a black pair and a white pair coming out on the 21st. I did not know that. I did not know that. Oh, you know what's crazy? I wanted every pair at the top 10. There wasn't a single pair that I didn't like. I really hope that I get a pair this time. Hopefully, we'll see. I think between the black pair and the white pair, I think I like to have the white pair, just because most of my shoes are white and I do like white shoes. But also, it is some I don't really want to get them dirty. But yeah, I think if I could cop either, it would probably be the white pair. Yeah, fire. I think these are the Yeezys that are they're releasing 1 million of, the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 Butter. They remind me of a lot of the white. They're like the white pair if they're slightly yellowed. I think they're nice. I think they're nice. What do you think about them releasing 1 million pairs? Is it? I'm not sure if it's 1 million pairs of these, the Yeezy Butter 3.2s, or they're going to release all the old models, but there's going to be 1 million in total. I'm not sure. I'm kind of hoping it would be 1 million in total, because I did have the Belugas, but I sold them. I'd love a pair of those again. And I did get the black and red ones, but I sold those as well. Alright, to get both of those would be insane. They're both so fire. But the Yeezy Butters are nice. I would like to get a pair of those. What do you think? How do you think they're going to release them this time? Will it be just they just go release them on the website and then anyone can buy them? Or do you think it will be the queuing system again? I don't know. I like Yeezys a lot, so I don't really want the hype to be killed, because it's kind of like nice to have a shoe that's so limited. I don't know. I don't know if it would ruin the shoe for me if they would have just released 1 million of one colorway, but then maybe other colorways they would do like 10,000 or like 15,000. So there's other colorways that are limited. I think that would work pretty well. So at least everyone's got a chance of getting one pair, one colorway, and especially this colorway for the summer. That'd be pretty cool. Moving on with whoa, another pair of Yeezy 500s. These are utility backs coming out on the 7th. That might be a cop. That might be a cop. You think I should get those? I think I might get those. And moving on, we've got some Air Jordan 5 Reds. They're pretty nice. We've got some Jordan 3 Triple Whites. They're pretty nice. That's it. That's it for the month of June. Got some pretty fire shoes coming out. Let me know down below which shoes that you're planning on copying. I know there's quite a few here that I want to get. So go be doing lots of reviews, lots of unboxings, and hopefully I can get the off-white ones or the off-white Prestos, or even both. That'd be insane. So yeah, that's the sneaker releases for June 2018. If you did like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel and you do like this type of content, please click subscribe down below. And if you could share the video, that would be amazing, because it really does help the channel to grow. Peace out. Keep it Gucci Prada. Bye.
Damn, back higher again. Skip with the vans, fresh the hoodie. Keep my pockets smelling of money. Taking out